After 60, a man learns something strange about strength. It no longer lives in muscle alone. It lives in energy, confidence, and how you feel in silence, not just in action. Many men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, still feel the desire to connect, to perform, to feel alive in intimacy. But the body changes, and sometimes it needs support, not from fake promises, but from nature, from science, and from vitamins that rebuild from the inside out. Today, I will share 3 essential vitamins every older man should consider to boost stamina, improve performance, and protect your vitality as you age. Not magic pills, but powerful tools for real men who still care to show up strong. Let us begin. They call it the sunshine vitamin. But for men over 60, vitamin D is far more than light. It is life. It regulates testosterone, supports mood, and increases energy at the root level. According to researchers at Harvard Medical School, men over 60 with low vitamin D have significantly lower libido, weaker erections, and higher fatigue, even when testosterone levels appear normal. Low vitamin D also weakens bones and disrupts sleep, both of which affect confidence and stamina. Spend 15 to 20 minutes in morning sunlight. Take 1,000 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily with food. Check your levels with a doctor once per year. Friedrich Nietzsche once said, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." And vitamin D helps restore the how, so your why stays strong. Zinc is the quiet warrior. It supports sperm quality, prostate health, testosterone production, and recovery after intimacy. Low zinc doesn't just dull performance, it shortens endurance and slows repair. A 2021 study from the National Institutes of Health found that zinc-deficient men over 60 had lower sexual satisfaction, higher rates of erectile issues, and slower hormone response. Eat zinc-rich foods, pumpkin seeds, beef, lentils, cashews. Consider 15 to 30 milligrams zinc supplements, but not more. Too much can backfire. Pair with magnesium for even stronger effect. Confucius said, "The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones." And zinc, though small, carries more weight than you think. B vitamins, especially B12, B6, and folate, are responsible for your nervous system, blood flow, and brain focus. In older men, B vitamin deficiency can cause erectile issues, brain fog, mood swings, and lack of interest in intimacy, not because of age, but because of misfiring systems. Researchers at the Cleveland Clinic confirmed that B12 and B6 directly affect nitric oxide levels, which impacts stamina, arousal, and vascular response during intimacy. Take a high-quality B-complex supplement daily. Include foods like eggs, tuna, whole grains, spinach, and liver. Ask your doctor to test B12 levels if you feel tired or unfocused. Often, Aristotle once said, happiness depends upon ourselves. And sometimes, it begins with the fuel we choose each morning. So, my friend, strength is not what it used to be, but that does not mean it is gone. With the right support from vitamin D, zinc, and B complex, your energy, your confidence, and your intimacy can still rise. Because being a man after 60 is not about trying to feel young. It is about honoring the fire that still burns and giving it the fuel to glow a little longer. Subscribe if you believe growing older should never mean giving up your vitality. Comment below. Which of these nutrients will you try adding to your life starting today? Until we meet again, move with strength, speak with confidence, and never forget, your age is a number, your presence is a choice.